friends, my name is Mani and welcome with Rcare Overseas Education. In this video, we're gonna see how you can extend your visa there in Germany. So in the starting of this video, I just gonna discuss about Indian system, and then I'll just explain you how you can extend your visa there in Germany. Giving you one example where the student really faced the difficulties and all the stuffs. So when we get the visa from India, it is either for 3 months or for 6 months. All right, generally it used to be for 3 months, but due to this pandemic they have extended for 6 months, so that depends upon the situation. All right, so you have the visa for 6 months or for 3 months. This visa is very important, and it depends upon the calculations which you have to make. So let me just give you an example. It could be summer intake or it could be winter intake. So let's assume if it is summer intake, because the summers are about to reach. So if it is a summer intake, then your classes or the stamping of the visa is from 1st March. So you have the visa for March, April, May, June, July, August, right? So if you have your visa from August till August, then you have to take the appointment for visa extension at least by May. Very important. Why? Because they generally take 30 to 60 days, minimum 30 to 60 days to extend the visa and to get social security number. Social security number is very important. I'll just let you know by the end of this video why, because you cannot work without social security number officially. Now your visa has to be done before the expiring of the visa which you have received from India. Apart from this, what all documents you have to take for the visa extension? First of all, the Rathaus registration, then your blocked account. These two documents are the most important. I have already described you how you can unblock your account there in Germany and all those stuffs. The link of the video is in the description. Please watch that video if you have no idea about unblocking of the account, because till the time your block account is not being unblocked, you cannot go for the visa extension. All right, so this is the simple procedure. You have to take up an appointment in Ausländerbehörde or the immigration office of your city wherever you are studying. All right, in the bigger cities it's better to take an appointment before, and in smaller cities sometimes it's easy to get those appointments. And during these situations of COVID, you have to be very careful, and you have to keep mailing them and taking an appointment, and please don't leave that appointment. Very important. So now let me give you a situation of one of my students. She is in Munich. I would not be sharing you the name of the student and the university where she is studying. So what happened with her was she had an appointment in Ausländerbehörde and the immigration office, and she couldn't reach there due to some problem. And she was so worried because her visa was about to expire in a month. So in that case, I referred, Rcare, me and Mr. Sharma, Anshu Sharma, he referred. Actually, she was his student basically. So he said to her is, you go to, you write an email to the immigration office, and they're gonna give you the temporary visa. They give you the temporary visa, not the official visa, not the card. They'll give you the temporary visa, and on it's a document, it's a paper, and you can just use it till the time you do not get the visa. So this is very common there in Germany nowadays because of the appointments and because of the COVID and all those situations. So please don't panic if something wrong happens. If you're not able to extend your visa, just write down an email and inform them. The information is very important. Please do not forget to inform them. Please inform them. Okay. Now, as I discussed in the starting about the social security number, social security number is very important because it's if I used in the basic language, it's like a PAN card here in India. Till the time you do not have the social security number, you would not be able to work there in Germany, because that card is important everywhere to work and to get the amount into your account. Legally, you are not eligible to work if you do not have the social security number. So all these documentation part is very important for all the students, and just do it as soon as possible, because once you're done with the documentation, generally the visa has been extended for 1.5 years. You are then relieved, there's no problem. And if you have any question, any problems related to visa extension, or any problem related to all these situations, you're most welcome to contact us. We would be very happy to help you out. And if you wanted to take our services for Germany, for Europe, for free education, please contact us. Thank you for watching this video.